I'm gonna do these boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. And first, so the white eggs are store-bought eggs. So normally they would peel a little more easily. And the brown eggs are my eggs. Brown, 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 brown. Also brown. And so those normally wouldn't peel easily at all. And I've got like an inch of water in there and this thing. So I'm gonna put it in this Instant Pot for a minute. And it takes a little while to heat up. Sometimes you have to actually be capable of doing it properly. Oh, let me turn it on. Oh, let me plug it in, I mean. All right, so I'm gonna put it on pressure cook and for a minute, and then I just hit start, and I'll be back when this thing is done. And I'm gonna take these eggs out. These I let do, it's called a natural release. And that means I just let the pressure go by themselves. So now, let me move this. I'm gonna do this without water. Just peel it with one hand. Ta-da, so easy. Boom, that just comes right off. And then, let me put that in a bowl. So that was the store-bought egg. I'll rinse the other egg, which is my chicken egg. And it should typically really stick badly. Boom. So easy. You should get an Instantpot.